to be able to play on the sea. Never done that before, and don't worry everyone, I'm not going to be juggling glasses today. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Jill. I'm from West Yorkshire, and I live in a little town called Big House, and my family, my mum and my dad, were amazing musicians. My dad was an extraordinary, wonderful church musician and played for most of people's weddings in our town of Selby. And when I go now to Selby, I don't live there anymore, but when I go, oh man, your dad played for me, and your dad, it's lovely, I'm so proud. And my mum was an amazing singer and singing teacher. So I was going to go to New Orleans and play St. Louis Blues by William Hendy, who was an amazing trumpeter from New Orleans. He was born just before Louis Armstrong, and he was amazing. And his St. Louis Blues, I didn't know the original piece. I was brought up with the Glenn Miller version. Any Glenn Miller fans in here? Yeah, I was brought up with St. Louis Blues march. And since then I've found out so many people have covered St. Louis Blues, including Stevie Wonder, and I need to listen to that when I get home, because I'm not really, I don't know it, so I'm going to listen to that when I get home. But this is my version. I've arranged this, transcribed it for the piano. I hope you like it. St. Louis Blues arranged by me.